Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Let's start with the news today. Discovery made in search for missing US military aircraft in Norway. Norwegian's rescue teams reported late Friday that discoveries were made in their search for a US military aircraft with 4 people aboard that went missing during NATO military exercises. At 9:27 p.m., discoveries were made from the air in Gråtådalen in Beiarn, said a statement from the Norwegian Joint Rescue Coordination Center, JRCC. Due to the weather conditions, it is impossible to land on site. The weather conditions in the area have been challenging and are expected to get worse. The MV-22B Osprey aircraft, assigned to the II Marine Expeditionary Force (MEF) US military unit in Norway, was out on the training missions in the Nordland County, northern Norway on Friday, according to the Norwegian Armed Forces. According to the JRCC statement, the aircraft was reported missing at 6:26 p.m. south of a border. The aircraft were heading north toward Bordeaux. Their last known position was by a slot field. Ground crew coordinated by the police have been deployed to the scene, but they are not expected to reach the areas for several hours, JRCC said. JRCC said rescue helicopters from the town of Bordeaux was deployed in the search, as well as a Lockheed P-3 Orion. Another Norwegian rescue helicopter was also sent from unlanded municipalities, it added. This is the end of our news today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.